You know, when you do something, in our case for 139 years, you think you do it as well as you can. You constantly are trying to improve, but you know what you know. JMJ brought a different look at safety and changed the paradigm of safety within Gilbane. And we went from policemen on our jobs to truly caring about the safety of the individuals on the job. And that sounds a little corny maybe, but it's a whole different way of looking at it. JMJ really was able to take our leadership team and change that paradigm. And then we work with them to work down through the organizations to get right down to our superintendents and our project managers and on-site people to have that same commitment.
You know, we're a company that really cares deeply about our people and their success and their safety. And we thought we were doing all the right stuff. But I believe what JMJ helped us understand and helped our people understand, that it's more than rules and regulations. It's more than all the protection devices and equipment and OSHA regulations and understanding this regulation and we're compliant. Well, you can be compliant and people can still get hurt. And what they got us to understand and made us, I think, dig deep into our souls about was, isn't, you know, the most important thing that everybody just gets home every night to their families and the people they care about?
As a company that's grown very significantly over the last 4 years, we intentionally selected JMJ as our consultant in the safety field because they focus on cultural change, behavioral change, allowing companies to grow their culture and to adapt their culture, and using safety as the foundation for that growth. It has allowed our management team to have a common language, a common platform, a common mission in our business so that we can both focus on our safety culture, but also in our total culture caring for the company.
You know, we have a lot of people who are problem solvers, who like rules and are very good at processes and procedures. We had that well before we engaged JMJ. It had been very successful for us. But what I'll characterize as the subjective side or the soft side of creating a safe working environment, we weren't really there where we needed to be. And JMJ has done a tremendous job of helping us see that, realize that, and learn how to act on that. And it's certainly changed in some ways the way I think about my role as the CEO of the company, and even how I relate to the people who report directly to me. But perhaps more importantly, how I relate to those 62,000 employees that Jacobs has at all levels in the organization.
I think JMJ has done a very fine job at focusing on the inflection point of leadership and its impact on safety. Ultimately, inside organizations, inside industry issues of labor and government and insurance, it takes leadership to really make the difference at the workplace.
And what this has done is it helps to rally around our culture and behavior and how we want all of our people to behave. And it is just phenomenal. I just can't say any more positives about it.
The most important thing is the safety of our employees and getting them home safe every night. And JMJ has helped us along that path. It's a change of beliefs that incidents can be prevented. And until you really believe something, it can't happen.
I think I've always been a caring person, and I'm always looking out for people, but this has really brought out the best in me when it comes about caring for people, and JMJ opened up my eyes to it. We don't get patted on the back by anybody because people don't get hurt, and when people don't get hurt, they don't know to go out of their way to thank someone for something that didn't happen. Yet I think we all know, and personally I know, we're doing the right thing